Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having an awesome day. It's your gal Tish and she's back with another video. So I don't know whether you guys have seen the trend that's going around on YouTube at the moment, but it's basically when a YouTuber watches a makeup tutorial and tries to recreate what's going on. And I absolutely love this trend. I have watched many videos of people doing it, and my favourite has been the Jenna Marbles copying James Charles's tutorial. That was hilarious and I thought I would just give it a go. I mean, it's funnier when someone who doesn't do beauty videos does a video like this, but I'm still gonna do it, I don't care. So I was flipping between kind of two YouTubers that I wanted to do, and that was Makeupbyjaack and Manny anyway, because they are my two favourites. But I decided to go with Jack because, I don't know, he's just, I don't know. I think I might do a Manny one in the future, but I think Jack was the one I wanted to do today for sure. And the video that I've chosen to do, which I will link in the description box below, is his Makeup Revolution full face thing. Little side note, I don't have all the products that he's using from Makeup Revolution, so I'm not doing a full face of Makeup Revolution. I'm just kind of using products that are similar or products I have in their place, because I don't have that much coin to go and spend a whole thing on Makeup Revolution. So yeah, if you guys want to see me recreate a Makeupbyjaack tutorial, then do keep on watching. So I've got the video up on my laptop just here. Hey hey.
Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel.
He's going to use a brow pencil to start with, but I don't use brow pencil, so we're going to just use what I've got. But I am going to be using the NYX brow pomade, the Tame and Frame, in the shade Chocolate. I'm just going to go and grab it. So I'm just going to go ahead and brush out my brows like he's doing. So like I said, I don't have the brow pencil he's using, so I've just brushed through my hairs with like a little spoolie brush, and I'm using the NYX Tame and Frame brow pomade. I have never been able to get on with pencils, hence why I'm not trying a pencil. I'm just going to go ahead and do my brows with this instead. Same. Okay, so it's literally just kind of filling them in.
It's slightly dark, but there's a lot of product coming out, which is a good thing. I'm not struggling to get any product out with this.
Okay, I see where we're going. We're gonna go ahead and do our brows. Obviously this is a review he's doing, it's not just a tutorial, so maybe I'll just review the products as I go along.
So I just went ahead and cleaned up my brows.
Oh, okay, so he's already cleaned up his brows.
So I've gone ahead and cleaned up my brows with the Revolution Concealer.
Right, so let's clean up these brows. So what we're going to use is the, ooh, this is a bit bougie, the NARS, I think this is the Radiant Creamy Concealer, yeah, in the shade Light to Vanilla. And we're just going to go ahead and clean those bad boys up, because Lord knows they're thick. I have just done exactly what Jack's done, so I've carved up my brows and I think I'm ready for eyeshadow. So I'm just going to zoom in a little bit. That's the wrong way.
For eyes today I'm going to be using the Revolution and Soap collab palettes. This is so
I have this.
This palette looks
I'm broke.
So good.
Ooh, same.
I think I'm just going to pick up some of these transition shades.
Oh, he's doing all four. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and put all the same four in the transition shade place, aka the crease.
This is so pretty. Look good, that's blended. I think I want to try this shade. What is this called actually? So this is the shade Pumpkin. And then for the first couple of shades I took Cavity, Tiramisu, Iced Coffee and Peaches, which are these four colour shades here. So now I'm just taking Pumpkin on the same brush.
Same brush.
That's so nice.
And we're just going to go, oh, we need to pause you a second, mister. We're just doing exactly the same. So I'm just taking that pumpkin shade right through Oh, okay, so he's gone onto the other
And
one.
then I'm taking this.
Right, let's do the other eye then. Now both eyes are up to speed. What's he doing?
Shade of Danger. The shade looks fucking beautiful.
Okay. We're putting that on the outer V. We can do that, We're just gonna grab a new brush. I don't know whether he grabbed a new brush, but that's what I'm gonna do. His looks so much redder than mine does. That's my one there. Yeah, look, his has come out really red and mine's like more of like a berry sort of colour. Maybe it's just the lighting. Oof! We went a bit heavy with that one. There's no way in hell this looks like that. You're lying.
And then lastly on this are 39, 36.
His just looks a lot brighter than mine. Oh, okay, so we're gonna go for the black. Okay. This black is really nice for kind of just darkening up the outer corner. It's not too pigmented, which is what I love. Oh, she says.
And I did just decide I'm going to do a crazy.
Oh.
I'm going to take a concealer.
Speaking my language. Right. Did you do it? Yeah, look. Right, this is one thing he does all the time, especially on Instagram, and I can never fucking do it. So what he did was he put the concealer on his lid and looked all around, and then it was like the perfect cut crease, and then you just had to clean it up. If this doesn't work, I'm gonna be writing a formal letter of complaints. Right, you ready, guys? Let's get a lot on there. Maybe that's what I'm doing wrong. Look up, look around, look all around. See, like, that's way too high. Oh, this is a hot mess. Or is it too high? Maybe it's not too high. Oh, maybe it does work. Oh, okay.
That is just super beautiful. So I'm going to take the gold shade.
Right, okay. We're not going too far ahead. Let's go ahead and get that pink shade on my eyeballs. Yeah, fair enough, this is a pretty shade. What shade is that? Right, so same brush. Get that colour. Ooh, there's quite a lot of colour. And stick it there. Okay. This is pretty. Right, so this turned out to be really nice. It doesn't look as red as Jack's does, but I kind of love it. And the cut crease worked. Like, that whole thing that I've been trying to do for ages it's never worked, and now it's worked. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and do that on the other eye quickly before we carry on.
So now, obviously, I haven't got mascara or foundation, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do that really quick, and then I will be back to finish everything else off. So then, guys, now that my foundation is on, I'm obviously gonna be going back in with the Revolution Concealer.
I forgot that this video he didn't do mascara or foundation, so I'm gonna have to do the same as what he did and do that off camera. Cool. Here we go. So we're on the same step as Jack again, looking pale as anything. Okay, let's get some colour on these cheeks. You have to excuse any background noise. The windows are shut, but the birds are being really loud, and obviously I can't shut the birds up, so sorry about that. Right. Side note, no, not even a side note, I've been trying to get hold of this concealer for so bloody long. I was going to order online, but I don't know the shade, so I want to go into Superdrug and match my shade before I buy it. But every time I go into Superdrug, all the testers are gone, all the stock is gone, there's no way of getting hold of it. So I haven't managed to get hold of this concealer as of yet. I'm quite mad about it because I really want it. We've all heard of it. Shape tape. Yeah.
£4. I think it's like $6, $7, something like that. I'm just going to take the
Okay, so instead of that, in its place, we're going to go back in with the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer and do exactly the same. Right, so we're setting the face. This is something again I do not have because I'm cheap. So I'm going to be using my Rimmel Stay Matte powder all over the face. This is in the shade Transparent, so it's basically exactly the same thing, just a different brand. And I use like a denser brush under my eyes. And then I'm going to grab a big fluffy brush and do the rest. Right, we're done, Jack. Let's go. What's the next step? A chair is so annoying. I have this. I have this. We found him, we found him. This is such an unorganised video. I've got exactly the same, but mine is almost all done. Let's see what he uses. The one I'm running out of. Cool. So he just lightly contours the face. Let's get this cheekbone out and into the world. Hey. For contour, I did that brush. All my other brushes are really dirty, so I'm gonna have to use the same brush for bronzer. And I'm just gonna use exactly the same shade as what he's using, which I've just realised, has it got a shimmer in it? Don't know. No, that's not enough. Right, I'm just gonna do a little bit more because I like more bronze looks. I'm gonna go up on my forehead too. I know this isn't what he did, but we know we're pale, so we're just trying to bronze up a little bit. She's bronzed. Next stage.
I'm actually going to stick in this part of the highlight.
Oh, he's taking a mixture of the two shades. Yes, mama. So we're just going to go.
I feel like highlighting the Makeup Revolution is such a strong point. But then for another highlight.
Whoa.
Blush, I'm going to dip it in.
See, he's got the blush palette. This is the thing I've got at home and I don't have it here.
Use Sugar and Spice blush palette. So I'm obviously just going to take this corner shade right here. I have this before on my channel and I'm just obsessed with it.
I don't have that, so we're just gonna have to skip that step. Oh, we're gonna do that though. We can do that.
And then for blush, I'm just going to dip into these two bottom shades here. Maybe like.
So, blush. I don't have that blush palette with me right now. I do actually have that one though, and I really like it. But I don't have it with me right now, so I'm gonna go ahead and find a different blush to use. Got hair on the end of my nose. Right, so for blush, instead of using the Makeup Revolution one, I am going to be using the Benefit Cheek Parade palette, which looks like this. I bought this for £25 the other day. It was a bargain, I couldn't leave it. But I'm going to use California, which is a really nice one. It smells really good too. See, this is one thing I always thought was a bit weird when Jack did it, was using blush after highlight. But I started doing it and it works really nicely, so it just helps to blend everything in together. Oh, I didn't even let him do it, sorry. I see. He looks pretty.
Lashes and finish my under eyes and then lashes.
Right, what? So he's done his lashes and his under eyes off camera. I was hoping he was going to go back to his under eyes, but we're just going to have to do exactly the same as that. Okay. Be right back. Right, so I have my lashes on, but they look fucking dreadful. Why do they look so bad?
I'm using the Retro Luxe Matte Lip Kit, and it's the shade Echelon. I think I'm saying that right. I'm not sure. So I have used one of the Revolution lip kits before, and I really liked it, so hopefully this isn't disappointing.
Surprise, surprise. I don't have that. So what I'm going to use instead is something else. Do you know what? I'm not going to do lip liner. I'm just going to go ahead with a liquid lipstick. So I'm going to go on with my Smashbox Babe Alert Always On lipstick. Babe Alert is the shade. And I'm just going to go ahead and apply it on the lips.
Then lastly, I'm going to go ahead and set everything in place. I'm going to be using the Pro Fix Illuminating Fixing Spray.
I don't have that either, so Hi Urban Decay All Nighter, that's what we're going to use. So guys, there we have it, that is the finished look. I'm really impressed with the eyes, except from the lashes. My lashes, I don't know why they look so bad, just ignore the lashes, but I'm really impressed with how that turned out. So that whole cut crease looky thingy that Jack does, I have tried so many times and it's never worked, and it actually worked on camera, which I'm so happy about. That was really fun. I really enjoyed doing that and watching the video and going along with it, so that was really good. So thanks Jack for creating that video that I can recreate. That's really nice. If you guys did enjoy the video, please give it a big thumbs up. That would really help me out and make me a very, very happy little bean. And if you did enjoy the video, do click that subscribe button down below. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, as you probably already know, and I'm not far from it, so if you guys do want to help me out, just click that subscribe button down below. If you guys want to see me recreate any other tutorials, do let me know who you want me to do in the bottom. Oof! No. If you guys want to see me recreate any other tutorials, do just let me know down in the comments down below. Whoever you want me to do and whatever video, just put down in the comments down below like a little link or something so I can find the video, and I will do that. All of my social media links will be in the description box, so if you do want to check me out, you can. I've got Twitter and Snap. No, what was it? Instagram, that's the one. I've got Twitter and Instagram, so if you do want to go check those out, then do feel free to with the links down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate it, and fingers crossed I will see you in the next video. Bye!